welcome back to my channel. Let's make some spinach, cream cheese, fried wontons. I already prepped my filling, and here I have some vegan wonton wrappers and 1 egg. For the filling, you need some cream cheese, spinach, roasted bell pepper, some seasoning. I'll be using some Colby and Jack cheese, parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description box. Now, I was making stuffed chicken breast, and this was the filling for the chicken breast, but I had some of it left over and I decided to make some fried wontons. So this is how this recipe came about. With the cost of food these days and the inflation, I am not about to waste anything. We shall find recipes for our leftovers. This will be making a delicious appetizer. So now let's fill our wontons. You want to grab a wonton. You can use 2 if you like, because these are very thin. And you want to just put your egg wash all around the 4 edges. And we will place a little bit of that filling in the middle and just seal the 4 edges together like so. Super simple. You want to carry on with the same process until you're all out of filling, and then we'll go ahead and fry them. So these will fry up super fast. So to my preheated oil, I will add them in. And you just want to fry them until they're nice and golden brown. Once they're brown, you want to remove them and carry on with the same process until you're all done. And here you have it, spinach, cream cheese, fried wontons. It was so delicious. I did serve it up with some sweet chili sauce, and it was amazing. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.